What's the meaning of assessable? Assessable. Assessable.
Assessable. Assessable. The term assessable refers to something that can be evaluated, measured, or analyzed. In other words, it is possible to determine the quality, value, or effectiveness of an assessable item or event using some form of assessment or evaluation method. This could apply to anything from a student's academic performance to the efficacy of a particular product or service. Being assessable allows for data-driven decision-making and helps identify areas that may need improvement. In short, assessable things are ones that can be systematically examined and analyzed to produce meaningful insights and improve outcomes.